Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add coupons to WooCommerce store. Get started. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to our dashboard and you should be able to see in here this marketing. So on the marketing, you can see here this coupons. So click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see your coupons on your store. And I have this right here. So only have one coupon. So let's head over and add a new coupon. So click on this add coupon right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the coupon editor. So here it is right here. So just put in here this coupon. Like for example, you can also generate a coupon code, or you can also put in here a specialized coupon for this one. So for example, let's put in here new 10. Then you can put in here a description, but this is optional. And here you can see this general. Then just choose a discount type. You can have fixed cart discount, percentage, or fixed product discount. For this one, I'll just choose this percentage and then I'll put in here this coupon amount, which is 10%. Now in here, you can see this in here and you can allow free shipping and you can also put in here an expiry date for your coupon. So I'll set it to expire at around June 30 and as you can see, it's been added. Now you can also head over to usage restriction. You can put in here a minimum spend, a maximum spend. It can only be an individual use or it can also exclude sale items. We can add some products on this particular coupon. So for example, let's add in here a product that will be applicable to that. And then you can also add some more if you want. Now add some more. Now you can also exclude products, add categories, allow emails, brands, and the like. Now in here, you can click on the usage limit. It can be unlimited usage or only one usage or two usage right here. And you can limit usage to only a number of items. So for this one, you can also limit the usage per user. And after you're done editing everything, just click on this publish right here. And then from in there, you should be able to create this particular coupon code. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.